First open Start and type WS Reset. Open WS Reset. Now wait for Windows Store to be repaired. Now close the Windows Store and restart. If that didn't, open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your network adapter and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Open Network and Internet. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset now. Now restart your computer. If that didn't work, open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administration. Copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click white frame, select Edit and then paste. If that didn't work, click on link that you will find in the description of this video. Click on Download and run the tool. Click on Downloaded tool. After finished downloading, click on Install, and your problem should be fixed.